Okay, today's lesson is 96 and we're using reciprocals to divide fractions. So the first situation they give us is 1/2 divided by 2/3. So what we're saying is if you have a half, how many groups of 2/3 are in that half? So let's go back to our Legos for a minute. Here's my 1/2, and I thought I'd take a half, make it a different color. So this is half of that 1/2, right? Well, how big is 2/3? So there's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So there's 2/3 of a whole. How much of that fits into that? Not the whole thing. So 2/3 is bigger than a half, isn't it? So this is a problem. So we've got to say that, oh, not all of that 2/3, that group of 2/3 fits in 1/2. So let's break it into groups of 1/12. Let's see. And see how many fits. Okay, so I've got 2 left over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half, 6/12 of that 2/3 fits in there. Does that sound confusing as it could ever possibly be? Let's do this the easy way. Remember I said keep the first term, switch the sign, flip the second term. You can never ever flip the first term, just the second one. So 1/2, keep that, switch the sign to multiplication, flip this, and when I flip it, do you remember that's the reciprocal? So I'm going to use that reciprocal, and I'm going to say 3/4. So guess what? Got my 2/3. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 of those fourths fit in there. So it works out right. Again, if the Lego math confuses you, ignore it. Do this, okay? Division and fractions really isn't hard. The concept of it's really hard, or kind of hard, but the actual math part is not. Let's do one more. Example 1. 2/3 divided by 1/2. Keep, switch, flip. Keep, switch, flip. There you go. Do you know how to do that part? Hopefully you do. If not, we'll work on that a little bit later. The next example is 2 divided by 2/3. Keep, switch, flip. Uh-oh. Can I make that into a fraction? Oh, yeah. Any number, a whole number over 1 is the same thing. So 2 over 1 is the same as 2. So keep, switch, flip. Remember, that's a division bar, so that's a division problem. The top number always goes in the box. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So there's my answer. So I think we've been leading up to this, so it's not particularly hard. Don't let it get tangled up. Just remember, keep, switch, flip, and I think that'll be the key to this lesson. So good luck.